Morning lads and lasses. Today is to transfer the Norseman Black IPA into SS Brew Bucket Mini. A 10 litre batch using the small pipework of the Grainfather G30. As you can see, the transfer is via gravity and a large auto siphon. Mind, this time I'm temping fair and using a bubbler instead of the trusty blow-off tube. I decant the yeast starter and then ready to aerate the wort via the drill. The fermentation fridge set at 19°C. And I'll check back to use as soon as there is any activity. I'll catch you all later.